If you participated in a live webinar through the National Council for Behavioral Health and seek continuing education credit and/or a certificate, you will need to enroll in the certificate component of the course in order to obtain your CE and/or certificate. First, click on the Enroll button. The dollar amount may vary depending on the contact hours for the training. If you are a new user, you will first need to create an account with us. Please watch the Create New Account tutorial if you need assistance with this. If you are not a new user, please continue by clicking Sign in here to log in. If you do not remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Only you are able to reset the password for your account. All you will need to do is check your email for instructions to complete resetting your password. Be sure to check your spam folder just in case. If you remember your login information, enter it here, then click Log In. A promotion code will not be applicable the majority of the time, but if you have one, enter it here and then click Apply. When you are ready, click Proceed to Payment. The top of the payment page looks like this. After you enter all your information, scroll to the bottom and click Pay Now. Upon completion of payment, you will return to the training gateway. Please note that completing payment does not mean you have received your CE and/or certificate. There are a few more steps that remain. At the training gateway, click on your name, then Student Dashboard. It will default to the In Progress tab. Here, click on the Begin Course button. There will not be any webinar to view or course material to complete here, but you must enter the certificate component of the course in order to obtain your CE and/or certificate. In the Canvas certificate course site, click on Modules, then on Certificate Form, then on Take the Survey. In the certificate form, enter your first and last name, the types of CE credit you wish to obtain, and your CHES ID number if you have one. If you do not have a CHES ID number, please leave this field blank. Then scroll to the bottom and click Submit Quiz. In order to access your certificate and view your CE, we will need to return to the training gateway. To do so, simply click on the block M. Back in the Student Dashboard of the training gateway, next click on the Completed tab. There you will be able to view or download your certificate. If you wish to view the CE that you have earned, click the PDF transcript button at the top right. If you just earned CHES credit, that will be reported to NCHEC by us, the Region 5 Public Health Training Center, on a quarterly basis.